Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a simple change of my aligner. So I think I have like 3 more to go. I'm almost done. I know I'll be done like November 30th, I think. But this is one, and it says time to order your retainers. I'll do that, so I'm just about to open them up. We go see. So I'm gonna put the top ones in because the top ones are always easier to put in than the bottom ones. Now the bottoms. Here we go. Let's see. Let me try to look in the mirror. They're in. As always, this plastic is thick, and then that's what gives you that little lisp. But other than that, it feel good, y'all. These my koofies. If you want one, you can hit me up on Instagram at JLashaeCreation. I make them in all colors, and I also make the dreadlock tams where you can put all your dreads in. It's not only for locks. You can wear it with braids or your natural hair. It doesn't matter, but they are so cute. Just to throw on, because my hair is not done. So that's why I threw this one on today. But yeah. Hit me up on Instagram if you would like to purchase your handmade crochet designs by me. And these are the newest, the koofies. But yeah, so I leave these in for a week and then I'm done. So that's all, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back at y'all with some more videos. Peace.